As a leader, how do you handle pressure? There are a lot of pressure cooker situations that arise quite often, more particularly during COVID, I know. As a leader, are you able to handle them powerfully, or do you succumb to them and you kind of feel miserable? You're not able to manage them, and that takes a toll not just on you but on the well-being and health of your team as well. And what is the impact then? What does it lead to? We're going to talk about all of these in today's video, so just stay on. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful, subscribe to my channel. Well, talking about the pressure cooker situations, I was talking to one of the leaders, and he shared how in one of the organizations that he used to work for, his boss, he just couldn't take the pressure, and what he did was that every time there was a meeting with the head, a review meeting, the boss would vanish. He would make an excuse last minute and he would not be there, because these review meetings were typically, very heated, very aggressive, a lot of questions asked. So the boss would vanish, and then the team was on its own. Unprepared, taken aback, the team would reach there and represent, the boss there. And what would happen is they were literally thrashed, they were beaten, they were killed because one, they were not prepared, and two, whatever the business was and the results were, that was one part of it. But because they were not prepared, the overall impression that the head, God, who was taking the review, was that this team is not serious, they're not even prepared. And these people could not say that, this is what has happened. We were not even prepared to come here and present, right? And this happened twice, thrice, 4 times. So they understood that this was intentional. The boss would do it intentionally because he could not handle the pressure. Now that's where, what do you think was the impact on the team? The team was demotivated, their confidence was shaken, they felt frustrated, helpless, and because they could sense that upset in the attitude of that head who was taking the review. They could sense that, and that further lowered or disempowered them, lowered their morale. They didn't quite feel good about themselves. And what do you think that did to their productivity? Do you think they were really willing to give in their heart and soul for their boss? Were they willing to put in their 100%? They were living in fear. They were scared. They were demotivated because of the whole thing. Now that's where I want to make this point, that every time there is such a situation, and which there are plenty of these, right? तो जब भी ऐसी situation होती है जहां पर tremendous pressure है, pressure cooker जैसी situation है, instead of running away, हो सकता है आप उस pressure को handle नहीं कर पा रहे हो, but भाग जाने से बेहतर है, escape करने से बेहतर है, अपने डर को दबाने से बेहतर है अपनी टीम के साथ शेयर करें. Because understand what is stopping you, what is holding you back, what are those beliefs that are really disempowering you, and that cause you to run away, is one thing. You've got to identify that. At the same time, if you want a powerful team, अगर आप चाहते हो वो टीम आपके साथ खड़ी हो, वो they always have your back, they are willing to do whatever it takes for you, then you've got to support them. You've got to be a cushion for them, for them and the leadership. So अगर आप हो ही नहीं उनके लिए वहां पर, then what do you expect? So as a strong leader, as a great leader, instead of running away, work on yourself. And the best way is to share. Why? What makes you think you cannot share your uneasiness, your fears with your team? Do that. As a human, it is not possible for you to be completely armed all the time. You will have your own emotions, your fears. By all means, share it with your team. And number 2, जब आप एक certain way में behave कर रहे हैं, अगर आप भाग भी रहे हैं वहां से, वर्सेस आप शेयर कर रहे हैं, पावरफुली उसको एड्रेस करने की बात कर रहे हैं, और आप ये कह रहे हैं, you know, that this is how I'm feeling, I need your support, let's do it together, then you are leading by example. You are walking the talk. You are setting an example. You are showing your team how to handle pressure, and thus helping them get empowered, helping them to grow. And that's what you want. As a leader, you want them to grow, right? So, you know, I just hope you're getting my point, that do not run away, do not shy away, do not think that, oh, since I cannot handle it and there's no way, being a leader, I can just say it out loud, it will not reflect good on me, so best is to just escape. No, don't do that. Because, you know, this leader that I'm talking about, when I asked them, why didn't you go and talk to your boss about this? Because it happened twice, 4 times, it was massive. And when he reflected back on this, he said, yeah, somewhere, you know, the system was such, the organization was such, we were so scared of the repercussions. So imagine, you don't know what space your employees are in, your teammates are staying in. What space are they in? They may not even be able to walk up to you and share what they're feeling. So somewhere you are not sharing what you're feeling, and that's exactly what they are also doing. So जब आपने वो space ही create नहीं की उनके लिए, it's gonna, you know, the same thing would be reciprocated. So what do you want in such a situation? Decide that, figure out, visualize that outcome, and then act accordingly. You may not have the solution instantly, you may be scared, but don't run away. Talk to them, share with them, do it together. And that's the purpose of teamwork. I hope you found this meaningful, insightful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.